how to redeem codes on Monopoly Go. So first of all, go into your Monopoly Go and then simply hit the three icon at the top right, three bar icon. So once you're there, here you'll have to hit to the Tycoon Club. So make sure first the Tycoon Club is unlocked, and you'll have to go to the Tycoon Club. And then once you're in Tycoon Club, make sure you sign in before if you haven't. And once you're signed in, what you'll have to do is you'll have to simply go to the three bar icon at the top right yet again. So once you're in there, you'll simply go ahead and then find out the reward codes. So go to the reward codes, and from the reward code section, what you'll have to do is go ahead to interface that would look like this. So here you'll have to enter the code, and if your code is correct, you'll simply press and go, and then when you enter the code, you will be able to claim your reward inside the game directly. So that's it for the video. Hopefully the information was helpful.